Hi y'all, I just wanted to hop on here and chat about my new favorite beauty brand, Ennomys Beauty. I wanted to do a little tutorial. I love a natural girl look. I love a natural glow. Sometimes I like to just wear as little makeup as possible. So we're going to do a natural girl base where you don't even need to wear foundation. Okay, we are going to start with the mattifying face primer. This goes on so smooth. It smooths out your fine lines and your pores, so you get this natural, dewy, glowy look. You can definitely put foundation on top of this. You can layer your look, but if you're going for that natural girl look, you can just use this for that kind of matte, glowy finish. This silicone-based formula is what helps it last all day long. Next, we are going with the concealing cream. I am using the Chantilly shade. Now, I may be going foundationless, but I do have a few dark spots and a little bit of redness that I would like to clear up, and this concealer does the trick. This is perfect for spot treatment or color correcting. This cream is so blendable and it really just brightens up your skin so you get that perfect complexion without trying too hard. And last but certainly not least, this is actually my favorite, is the eyebrow gel. This is a hero. This clear gel makes it a universal match for everyone's shade of eyebrow, so anyone can use it, and it just grooms them and fluffs them to perfection. This clear formula is amazing because it doesn't leave a trace, and it grooms them and gives them that long-lasting hold, but it shapes your natural brow so you still look like you. So that is your natural girl base where you don't even need foundation to look your best. I'm obsessed with the Ennomys line. You guys, you have to check it out. Your face can have this glow so easy.